I'm pretty sure you're tired of feeling overwhelmed by all the skincare advice out there, wondering where to begin on your journey to a glowing skin. Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm breaking down the best skincare routine for beginners, and trust me, it's simpler than you think. It even gets better because I'm not just sharing these steps. I've got exclusive tips and product recommendations that will help elevate your skincare game and help you achieve a radiant glow that you've always wanted. So stick around till the end for a special surprise you won't want to miss. Hey beautiful, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kelly Jerome, and today we're diving into an important topic for anyone just starting their skincare journey. What is the best skincare products for beginners? If you've ever felt overwhelmed by all the products out there, don't worry, I've got you covered. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's get right into it. First things first, understanding your skin type is crucial. Are you dry, oily, combination, or sensitive skin? Knowing this will help choose the right product for you. Let me break it down quickly. If your skin shines throughout the day, you are most likely to be oily skin, so look out for products that are oil-free and non-comedogenic. If your skin feels dry or flaky, you've got a dry skin, go for rich creams or hydrating serums. If you have an oily T-zone and a dry cheeks, you've got a combination skin, so you need products that will help balance both. If you react easily to products, you've got a sensitive skin, so opt out for products that are gentle and fragrance free. Now that you know your skin types, let's get into the essential steps of a beginner skincare routine. Trust me, it's simpler than you think. First things first, you need to start with a gentle cleanser. Look for something suitable for your skin type. Cream-based cleanser works best for dry skin, while gel cleansers are fantastic for oily skin. Next up is toners. This step is often skipped but super important. It helps balance your skin's pH level. Look for alcohol-free toners like this one. Serums are your best friend. They are packed with so many active ingredients. For beginners, I recommend hyaluronic acid or vitamin C for brightening. Next is moisturizing. No matter your skin type, moisturizing is key. If you have oily skin, a lightweight gel moisturizer works well. If you have dry skin, go for rich creams. Finally, don't forget sunscreen. It's a must-have. Go for broad spectrum SPF 30 and above. I love this one because it is lightweight. Before we wrap it up, here are some extra tips to make your routine even more effective. Consistency is key. Stick to your routine. It can take a few weeks to see results. Don't get discouraged. 2. Always do a patch test when trying out new products to avoid reaction. 3. Listen to your skin. You need to know that your skin changes with season, so you can adjust your routine accordingly. Don't forget to stay hydrated and eat well. What you put inside matters too. Drink plenty of water and eat a balanced diet. And there you have it, a simple yet effective skincare routine for beginners. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and also share this video with your friends who might need some skincare advice. Comment below with your favorite skincare product or any questions at all you'd like to ask. I'll be sure to answer them. Until next time, stay beautiful and keep glowing.